In today's video, we will see how to add check symbol in Google Docs. There are four types of check symbols. As you can see, you can insert in the Google Docs. Let's see how to insert them. Click on the Google Sheet where you want to insert the symbol. Then go to the insert option, and under this insert option, here you will see special characters. Now to insert the check symbol, just draw the check symbol in this drawing area and release it. Now you can see different types of symbols here. You can just click on them and then insert it into the Google Docs. For the blue one, what you have to do is just draw a box like this and then draw a tick mark and then click on this box to insert the blue check symbol in Google Docs. If this video helped you, please subscribe and don't forget to press that bell notification icon so you won't miss any new tips and tricks like these. And don't forget to check out these useful videos shown on the screen. See you again.